Out of 6 students, 4 students got selected in DMECO ISIMA कंपनी एंड ये प्राउड की बात है एंड डेफिनेटली 2 स्टूडेंट्स आने वाली अच्छी कंपनी में प्लेस्ड होंगे, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ की जो आपकी टीचिंग की लेवल है ना वो डेफिनेटली एक लेवल ऊपर पढ़ाया जाता है. यस एग्री?
सर डेफिनेटली सर.
यस. हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज विकास फ्रॉम SMBD मरीन एकेडमी. आज हमारे साथ है शिवा कुमार. रिसेंटली शिवा कुमार गॉट सेलेक्टेड इन DMECO ISIMA शिपिंग कंपनी एंड दिस इंटरव्यू कंडक्टेड बाय IMEC एंड HIMT. तो आज इनकी जर्नी पे बात करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम शिवा कुमार एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी something about yourself. How did you come to know about this merchant navy field?
Sir, my name is Shivkumar Piramat. I am from Karnataka, Davangere. I came to know about merchant navy when I was finished my 12th. My uncle was in Mangalore. Then I came to know about merchant navy while seeing ships in port. Then from there I think that I want to join marine engineering. Like I want to do marine engineering. Then I gone to take admission in some Mangalore institute. But the placement rate is too low there. Then I think that I can do marine engineering after finishing mechanical also. Then the fees will be also little bit less. Then I thought that doing a mechanical engineering from my native. Then after that in my third year I came to know about merchant navy decoded channel. Then from there I cleared my basic concepts, and in my final year I got to know about Syrian Leaf platform, and from there I purchased GME Made Easy package. Then from there I got to know about user. Then from SM. Then after that I get to know about SMBD Academy. Then I watched YouTube videos like Vikas sir is conducting some offline classes about GME. Then at that time I joined SMBD Academy.
Okay, so at the end he joined SMBD Marine Academy. And my next question, Shiva. So how was the experience at SMBD Academy? कैसा लगा यहाँ पर टीचिंग स्टाइल्स एंड सॉफ्ट स्किल्स की ट्रेनिंग, मॉक इंटरव्यूज ट्रेनिंग? हाउ वाज दैट?
Sir, in SMBD Academy all the faculties are very good, and Vikas sir will teach about lot of technical knowledge. You will train like from zero to hero. Then you have a lot of you feel lot of confidence while giving interview also. And Pranjal Verma sir also teach about how to communicate and how to deliver it properly like a good manner. Then you have to know how is your pitch, voice also. Like that communications classes will also be going simultaneously. Technical classes will also be going, and you will also have a lot of mock interviews in every week, and mock test will be also conducted in every week, and you will also get a lot of feedbacks. How are you performing? And you have to work on your feedback in order to improve and get selected in good companies. So that I improved my what I am lacking. Then I got selected in DMECO with the help of Vikas sir and as well as Pranjal Verma sir.
यस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा ये पूरी टीम की एफर्ट है. कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू SMBD मरीन एकेडमी टीम एंड स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने हार्ड वर्क किया. एंड मैं आपको बता दूं प्रांजल वर्मा सर सेंटर हेड है SMBD मरीन एकेडमी के, जो कि यहाँ पर सॉफ्ट स्किल की ट्रेनिंग भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर GME की इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने के लिए टेक्निकल नॉलेज एज वेल एज इक्वली सॉफ्ट स्किल्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स होना बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं आउट ऑफ 6 स्टूडेंट्स आप फ्रॉम SMBD मरीन एकेडमी, राइट? यस, आउट ऑफ 6 स्टूडेंट 4 स्टूडेंट्स गॉट सेलेक्टेड इन DMECO ISIMA कंपनी. एंड ये प्राउड की बात है एंड डेफिनेटली 2 स्टूडेंट्स आने वाली अच्छी कंपनी में प्लेस्ड होंगे, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ की जो आपकी टीचिंग की लेवल है ना वो डेफिनेटली एक लेवल ऊपर पढ़ाया जाता है. यस एग्री?
Sir, definitely sir.
यस. तो नाउ माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन शिवा, मे यू प्लीज शेयर योर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन. व्हाट वाज योर इंटरव्यू?
Basically he asked about my self introduction. Then after self introduction he asked me about tell me what are the different auxiliary machines used on ship. Then I explained everything like a freshwater generator, hydrofoil tank, then compressor, boiler, then air bottle, then refrigeration and
so you explained like hydrofoil tank and all?
Sorry, all I explained. And he asked me about freshwater generator, what is the working. Then I explained him, sir, it will suck from the sea, then it goes to the condensation and evaporation. Then I explained air blade injector, which works on the principle of Bernoulli and equation of continuity. Then it go to demister. All I explained perfectly. Then he told me very good, very good. Then he asked me, what did you do in 1 year gap?
Okay.
Then sir, I was contributing to my uncle business, and in my free time I was also preparing for my GME exam, and I was also learning about lot of marine related topics. Then after he asked me, what are the marine related topics you learned? Then I explained like freshwater. I told a lot of auxiliary machines, and in that I added Marpol, SOLAS. Then he asked me, what is Marpol, SOLAS? Then I told that in Marpol, sir, there are a lot of annexes. The headquarters is in London, which was introduced in 1973 and got implemented in 1978. Then Annex 1, Annex 2, Annex 3, Annex 4, Annex 5, Annex 6, all I told. Then we have to maintain all the certificates in every ship. Then after I told it about Marpol, which is SOLAS, which is safety of life at sea. Then I explained all the 14 chapters, general provision, then ship stability, then carriage of dangerous cargo, carriage of goods, then additional safety measures to be taken for bulk carriers. Then we have to maintain lot of safety and its arrangement, and constructions of constructions of fire protection, fire detection, fire extinction. Then I explained all up to 12 chapters I explained. Then also it told very good, very good. Then he asked me about classification of pumps. Then I told it like rotodynamic pump and positive displacement pump, and axial flow pump, radial flow pump, mixed flow pump. Then in rotodynamic pump, rotary pump, and reciprocating pump. In reciprocating pump there are 3 different, which is like plunger pump. In reciprocating pump, plunger pump and piston pump, and diaphragm pump. And in rotary pump, screw pump, vane pump, and another one pump is this, I am not remembering currently. Then he asked me about explain how centrifugal pump works and its parts. I explained properly. Then what if air goes inside the centrifugal pump, what you will do? Then I explained, sir, we will do priming with the air extraction pump. Like that I explained perfectly, sir.
So Siva's interview more like marine engineering,
Yes, sir.
Marine engineering campus placement interview rather than your GME interview. Why? Because SMBD Marine Academy में उस level की आपको training मिल रही है. Yes?
Yes, sir, definitely.
And यहाँ पर different auxiliary machineries पे बात करते हो तो definitely out of 6 4 student तो select होंगे ही होंगे, क्योंकि उस level
Preparation
की प्रिपरेशन से यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स को प्रोवाइड की जा रही है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम रेगुलर बेसिस मॉक इंटरव्यूज, फीडबैक, इस पे बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पर वर्क हो रहा है. सो एट द एंड क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हो अपकमिंग GME एस्पायरेंट्स को?
who want to go for marine related topics, then definitely select SMBD Academy in your first point. Then also Vikas sir is also best. Then you can choose SMBD. It is the best option if you are going to marine related topics in India currently now.
चलो, सो विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट शिवा, एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर जस्ट अभी ये बिगिनिंग है.
Yes, sir.
more and more difficult situations will come in future, like यार शिप पर आ गया, वर्क है, हार्ड वर्क, हेक्टिक रूटीन, एंड आफ्टर कमिंग फ्रॉम शिप अगेन अपेयरिंग फॉर मेनी मोर एग्जाम्स एंड ओरल्स. तो ये जस्ट एक जर्नी है, एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू.
थैंक यू सर.
सो आप सेलेक्ट हो गए, एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर अपकमिंग फ्यूचर. आगे बढ़ो, अपने फादर मदर की नाम रोशन करो.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू. वेलकम.